Alright, hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs and we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we grow a garden, we can things, we do recipes, we do sourdough, we do all the fun things. And I am in a bit of a hurry today because we have family coming in like an hour and a half and I waited till right now to make an apple pie because that's who I am. And if you hear vacuums in the background, that's Jonathan cleaning because family's coming and we wait till the last minute around here because that's just who we are. So let's just go make this apple pie. It's a bit different than my tripod. It's a bit different than a normal apple pie, I think. This is, I think, the only apple pie recipe I've ever used. It is really, really good. It's not good for you, but it is really good, and it's just a bit different. So, come with me. Let's go make this apple pie. Don't mind this. This is what you look like when you had a 4th of July party that you went to, and then you didn't go to bed till 2 a.m., then you woke up and you got a lot to do. So, let's go. Alright, I am in a time crunch, and that's probably what this video is about. You may not see my face, I don't know, because we have family coming in an hour and a half, and I waited till the last minute to make this apple pie. So, in this saucepan over medium heat, an entire stick of butter. Now, this recipe, 100% not healthy. It's really, 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 really bad for you, but I'm not making apple pie for it to be good for us. So, a half cup of butter. To this, 3 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna whisk it in until it makes a paste. Alright, I'm gonna let it cook for like 2 or 3 minutes to get the floury taste out. 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Let me stir this in and then I'll add the brown sugar. Like I said, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Packed. Now, it calls for a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I will be adding pie spice because it's the best. I'm not going to measure this. We're just And then we're gonna let this simmer for a couple minutes while we roll out the bottom crust. So it looks like, basically. Now this bottom crust is crust left over from when I made a blueberry pie. I just froze it. The top, I won't lie, it's store-bought crust because I did not have enough time to make homemade crust. I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible. And hope that it comes out in some sort of round shape. Basically good enough. Hopefully it doesn't shrink down. We have our apples and we're gonna pour half of this mixture over the top. We'll do just a little more.
Sounds good.
Mm-hmm. I realized it was probably very poor of me to film this. It was not a good angle. Anyway, I'll put the rest of the like caramely sauce on the top of the pie. I'm gonna put it on this cookie sheet so it doesn't leak over. And then I'm gonna bake it at 425 for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna lower the temperature to 350 and do another 40 to 45 minutes on the pie. Okay, so I didn't even get to show this pie finished because it wasn't even done baking when our family got here, and they were here all weekend and I did not have any time. So this is what's left. This is what it looks like. It's super delicious. My mom's coming to visit today, so we'll probably eat this when she's here too. And the next video you see, my mom will be in because she's found a recipe that we have to make. So yeah, you'll see my mom in this video, the next video, and maybe the video after that. I don't know. We'll see what my mom and I are up to. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.